In this video, we'll cover replacing an air vent for the Lippert pop-up roof system. To perform this procedure, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Slide the edge of the screwdriver between the fiberglass and vent, then pry it free of its housing. Be careful when removing the vent. If the vent is removed too quickly, it can fall into the vent hole. To install your replacement air vent, begin by sliding it into the hole, then pressing against it to lock it into place. This will complete the air vent replacement procedure for the Lippert pop-up roof system.